Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a code here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting a code in Salesforce is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to perform this action. Okay? So, once you are logged into your account, I want you to go to the quick find section. If you can't find this interface, all you have to do is go to the upper right corner, click the setup, and this will lead you to the quick find interface. In here, I want you to type in codes. Right? Click on the code templates if you want. For example, you have created a code and you want to delete that. For example, this, you no longer need it, right? All you have to do is click on OK, and that's that. You have successfully deleted the code. Now, for you to be sure that it has been deleted, I want you to click on the app launcher beside setup. It's a circular, colorful buttons. Here, type in codes. You will be forwarded here in this section and you would find all the codes that you have previously deleted. If you don't have one, you might want to click on this. There's going to be an option here for the list view, right? And the filter. You can edit the list. You can refresh to see the codes that you have previously deleted, all the codes that you want. If you have more codes here, just choose the code that you want to delete. Click delete and then click on save. All right, and by doing so, deleting a code in Salesforce is a simple process, but always ensure you double check that you're deleting the correct record. All right, and again, just hover again to recycle bin to make sure if you wanted to restore the deleted codes if you have a sudden change of mind. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.